In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect LinkedIn with Folk CRM and give you a quick overview of Folk CRM itself. This integration can save you time and effort by streamlining your outreach, and if you stick around to the end, I'll also reveal how you can get an exclusive and extended free trial of this software. So, if you're looking to level up your CRM game and take your LinkedIn relationships to the next level, you're in the right place. Folk CRM is a powerful tool for managing your professional relationships, and it's designed for both individual users and teams. It helps you organize, track, and nurture your contacts all in one place, making sure you don't miss out on opportunities. Whether you're working in sales, recruitment, or even just expanding your professional network, Folk CRM is the software you need. But let's focus on LinkedIn today and how this integration can work for you. Connecting LinkedIn to Folk CRM is straightforward. First, log into your Folk CRM account and navigate to the Integrations section in your settings. You'll find a list of available integrations, and LinkedIn will be one of the options. Click Connect, and you'll be prompted to authorize Folk CRM to access your LinkedIn account. Once you approve the connection, Folk CRM can automatically sync your LinkedIn contacts and activity, making it easier to keep track of all your interactions. With this connection, every time you engage with someone on LinkedIn, whether that's sending a message or accepting a connection request, it's automatically logged in Folk CRM. You don't have to manually update your contact database anymore, which can save you a lot of time. Plus, all the valuable context from LinkedIn, like job titles, company names, and mutual connections, will be imported into your CRM for a comprehensive view of your network. Now, what's great about this integration is that it doesn't just pull basic information. Folk CRM lets you create custom tags and notes for your LinkedIn contacts, which means you can categorize and segment them in a way that's meaningful to you. For example, you could add tags for people who have a certain job title, who you've had a specific type of conversation with, or who belong to a certain industry. Folk CRM's interface is intuitive and user-friendly, so even if you're new to CRM tools, you'll be able to start managing your LinkedIn connections with ease. The platform is designed to help you build stronger relationships, and with the integration, you'll never lose track of important connections again. It's perfect for anyone who wants to manage their network more efficiently. So if you're thinking about diving into Folk CRM, remember you can get started completely free through the first link in the description below, and you'll even get access to our exclusive bonus offer. This will give you all the features you need to see if Folk CRM is right for you without any commitment. The software is really powerful, but it's also incredibly simple, and it can help you transform the way you manage LinkedIn connections. To summarize, connecting LinkedIn with Folk CRM is a game changer. It saves you time, keeps all your contacts in one place, and lets you organize your outreach efforts. Folk CRM is definitely one of the best tools you can use to get the most out of your LinkedIn relationships. And as I mentioned, you can try the software for free by clicking the link below. Don't miss out on the exclusive extended trial that I've unlocked just for you. So, go ahead and get started today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.